going to be a little roundabout of our homestead. Here's our chickens in the chicken coop. That's where they spend all their time. They run around all over the yard, free range all over. And then over here we have our woodshed. And in the winter it's filled with wood. It still has to be sided, with all the roofs on. And next to that is our home that we live up there. My mother lives over there. There's our yard. And there's the garden. Garden and our greenhouse. And that's about the end of it. Just wanted you to see all our place. See what's happening over here. See y'all.